How to fix call disconnecting problem on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix a call disconnecting problem on an Android phone. So without any delay, let's just go simply with the process. So first thing you can start up is restart your device. Long press on your device and restart your device, as a simple restart can often resolve the temporary software glitches calling the call drops. Another thing is check your location. If you have a bad network, you can go to the location with a better signal strength if your current area has a poor reception. And ensure that your Android device is also updated to the latest software options. And the next thing you can do is removing and inserting the SIM card to ensure that it's working properly. So make sure your SIM card is working properly. After that, you can also turn on the airplane mode and turn it off again and refresh your network connection. Even after that, if the problem persists, you can reach out to your mobile provider to check for any kind of network outages or account issues. So therefore, these are the methods you can do in order to fix the call disconnecting problem on Android. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.